everyone! Today I went to the dentist. My Tito CJ pulled out my two front teeth. And you will learn that I am question mark.
Who's your idol? Ano yung ito na watch? Cartoon. Blaze? Do you watch Blaze or Paw Patrol? Hindi na pala mag-focus.
I watch Paw Patrol but I have no idea what's this.
I don't know if there's no much to know. Anyway, Blaze is just a superhero. He's a car and he's so brave like you. Okay? So my plan today, I'll explain the procedure, okay? For us to remove this, there's a little bit of pain like an ant bite, okay?
Yeah, I have really had the blood test.
So you're very good.
Twice.
Wow, very good.
Twice pa daw. Oh, di ba?
That's very good. Okay, this one is a little bit different. You will feel two ant bites in front here, when open, and two ant bites here. So we'll practice, okay? Alright, Leah, straight up. Sit upright. Okay. I will count 3 and you will feel this. You will feel like this. Okay, lie down. Open your mouth. Big mouth. Okay, let's look up. There. Look up.
Tito CJ injected me with anesthesia. Where did he inject me? In the gum or on the arm?
Very good, you have a prize. Okay?
Okay.
You ask daddy, Okay, open, Okay, open. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. And 1. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. Very brave. You good? High five. Okay, one more. On the back. Here, okay? Okay, open. 1, 2, open. Look up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 8 seconds. 1, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.5, 8. Right here, right there. This. When I'm trying to remove that blockage or baby tooth, you will feel this. What is next? Look, that's it.
Can you look at the mirror?
Okay, sure. Saliva is going down because it's numb. You won't feel that thing when I try to remove it. Okay? So when I try to remove your tooth, it's like this.
It's like going this way.
Yeah. Okay? So you listen.
Very loose.
Okay, listen. Okay? When I try to remove it, close your eyes. You will feel this, but it doesn't hurt. Okay?
If I put my upper jaw on it, it's like loose.
Yeah. Okay? So are you ready? Okay. It's gonna be fast. It's numb already. It won't hurt now. Like kanina. Okay?
That's why
Okay. Garden, don't
I
worry.
know what can do.
Sige.
Tito CJ pulled out my two front teeth because I already have permanent teeth.
Don't push too much, okay? Okay, see? Doesn't hurt. You will just feel it. Very quick. Okay.
Very good, Pogi.
You're done. With one. Look at me. Wait. I go to dry it because there's a little.
Let's go back to the chair, let Tito CJ. You're still bleeding.
Don't worry of blood. You all have blood. Huh? Oh, look. Here. See? Remove
God.
what you want.
But there's still blood.
Okay. So,
That's why later we will eat ice cream.
because it's still numb, we can do this other one like that fast lang also. Okay, come on. Oh.
It didn't really hurt.
Yeah, I told
Because
you.
of the injection.
Because I will told you, because of that ant bite there, it won't hurt now. Or the injection, sure. Okay, look up, close your eyes. I count 1 to 3 again.
Wait.
Look up. What?
What?
What? You wanna gargle? Here you go. I need to just put cotton and the blood will come out later. Okay? Can we remove the other one now so you can go home?
Don't move, anak. Don't move.
I'm going to make like I'm going to make this new video for my channel.
Okay, don't worry. But it's nice, huh? You're very good. We're going to have many followers because you're very good. They will be like you. They will idolize you. Like, Liam can do it, we can do it. Right? Okay,
Take a
look up,
video.
look up.
I'm really.
Okay, okay. One. Very good. Wow, what a very good boy. Wow.
You. Bilis.
I think we're done, but we need to put pressure up, huh? I was going to press it hard, but it doesn't hurt, okay? Press hard. Good. Better na. Pero maano na na-condition nyo na pala.
Hi, Tito CJ. I just ate ice cream and thank you for pulling out my two front teeth.
The queso is yummy, and the cone. You like the cone later.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot of things. Like the answer to question 1 in this video, which is I was brave. Bye! Thank you for watching.